So that essentially completes my oh, my camera's falling. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays to everybody out there. On today's vlog, we're gonna go over the spec and build for the truck for the 2022 Ram Rebel GT package. So yeah, we'll go over all the specs and just pretty much the overall sticker price. But first, I need to get some coffee. So grab some coffee and we'll be back in a few. Oh yeah, there she is. All right, guys, got my coffee here, my cold brew, nitro cold brew. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, guys, let's start the show. Officially start the show. All right, guys, I'm back here in back of my office here in the 2022 Ram Rebel GT package, because that's exactly how it feels like. It feels like a one-bedroom apartment back here. I mean, it is so comfortable, very spacious. All right, guys, so now let's get to the spec build sheet with all the good stuff, what you guys came here to see. So check it out. All right, guys, so this is the 2022 model year Ram 1500 Rebel GT Crew Cab 4x4. I'm going to highlight some key upgrades, key changes for the new year for the GT Ram Rebel. So you guys can go back later on the video and just look at more of the specifics for the build, but this is just for this spec sheet in specific. So the base price is at $52,000, comes standard equipped. For optional equipment, I went ahead and did the diamond black crystal pearl coat and went with the night edition for $525, which included the black front bumper with black plates, also with the 18-inch gloss black wheels, all black on black. It looks really good, especially with that front bumper. Got the black stash right there. I really like it. It comes with the, of course, what everybody's been waiting for, the GT package, $2,995, which comes equipped with leather vinyl bucket seats, which say GT on them. So as you can tell right here, you got the GT stitching right here on the passenger side, and then you also have the GT stitching on the driver's side. Of course, this comes equipped with the leather wrap shift knob, which is right here in the middle. Usually it would be up there, but now it's in the middle. I prefer the middle, but that's just me. I'm kind of old school, I guess. This one comes equipped with the cold air intake system by Mopar, which really gives it that awesome startup of the truck. What else? Ventilated front seats, and you guys can check out most of the stuff later on. Some of the stuff that you'll see that's different, of course, is the Uconnect 5 navigation, which is right there. It comes equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen display. Of course, this comes with the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and then I had to get that upgrade 19 speaker Harman Kardon premium sound, of course, which comes with your Rebel 12 package. Of course, all your Rebel Level B equipment, all that good stuff. An add-on that I went with was the dual panoramic sunroof, which is an extra $1,495, which really gives the truck a different look, especially for the night drives. I really enjoy having the sunroof open. Also, the lighting just gives it that awesome lighting inside the truck. Other than that, oh, and the spread-in bed liner by Mopar for $595. These are just some of the stuff. You guys can, you know, go back and look at the video and see some of the stuff that comes equipped with this package. But yeah, not much of a change for 2022. You just get some of the extra goodies for it being a GT. For some, it might be worth it. For some, not so much. I like it. And of course, the whole sticker price comes down to $68,000 and $68,000. Not bad. Warranty, of course, you get a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. Fuel economy, 19. Combined, 18 city, 22 highway. Good luck seeing those numbers. Right now, I'm pushing about 12 to 13 if I'm lucky. Oh yeah, look, 12.9. So not the best gas mileage. It'll probably maybe go up 1 or 2 if that, but hey, it is what it is, and that's that. All right, guys, so one of the things I forgot to mention, well, 2 things I forgot to mention. One was the paddle shifters. So if you guys get the GT package, you guys will get the paddle shifters, which are awesome to use, but they do, the volume controls get in the way of it. I do prefer the ones on the Raptor. When I did have the Raptor, I like the paddle shifters on there a little bit better than these. Like I said, the volume controls do get in the way, but nonetheless, the pedal shifters on here are awesome. And another upgrade for the GT package, well, another add-on to the GT package, is the power adjustable pedals with memory, which is right over there, which comes with your bright pedal kits, and you can adjust it right here, up or down, and that's it. All right, guys, so that pretty much covers the overall spec of the 2022 Ram Rebel GT package. Yeah, there was some stuff afterwards I wish I would have added, but you know, I was working off a certain budget and I didn't want to go over a certain price. For example, the stepping rails, I would have liked to have had that for my passengers, not so much for myself. But I guess I can do that in the aftermarket part. Cold brew tastes good. Oh yeah, another option I would have liked to have added would have been, I have the rear camera, but it would have been nice to add a front mounted camera, and that's more for like city driving and parking. But hey, I can do that. I can do without on those options for that one. Everything else, I mean, I really enjoy everything that it has. I love this truck. I've had a Raptor before. Now I have this. There's certain things I like about the Raptor. There's certain things I like more about the Rebel from an interior standpoint, but I'll do a separate video on that. But yeah, guys, happy holidays once again to everybody out there, and thank you so much for supporting the channel, for the likes, the comments, even the good and the bad comments. I love those. I read all the comments, and like I said, I'm learning, and I make mistakes. So thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, liking the channel. I'll be doing more reviews on the truck itself, on different adventures I'll probably take it on. I don't know yet. I'm just taking one video at a time, I guess. But all to say is thank you guys, and if you guys like the content, please like the channel and subscribe to the channel as well. I'll be trying to push out more content as time permits, of course. But yeah, guys, thank you for the support, and always remember, every adventure starts with a cup of coffee. All right, guys, until next time.